Okay, yeah, the ladies and gentlemen, ang ating pinalangga, bigyan rin na ating nanatay. Yung isang sa likod ng lista, si Director ng Marandayan, Kaibigan, no? Makita natin si Vice Mayor Justine Encarnacion, and of course, natin yung mga members of the Sangguniang Bayan ng San Jose de Valdivia. Welcome, welcome. And of course, bigyan ang elderly veneration of San Jose de Buena Vista Incorporated. Let's give them a round of applause. Yeah, with their president, Willie Velasquez. Welcome. And of course, we have here as well, Honorable Ivy Tigon. At mga kamunduan rin ang ating pinalagang Vice Mayor ng San Jose de Buena Vista, Honorable Justine Encarnacion. And we would like to welcome in Schools Division of Antique. Thank you so much for joining Hiring Balay 2024. Kami nagkaroon natin kung matulog-tulog kapag pumalakpak ang Department of Education, Schools Division of Antique. Tulog-tulogin ka, salamat natin yung mga maestro kag maestra na nagpag-imaw natin sa kanya na aga. Wow! Sa mga teachers, talim sa mga nasari-sari eskwelahan, Ria sa Palwa, San Jose de Buena Vista. Sir Jai, wow, welcome, Jeff Ed. Wow, duro sanda, duro. Duro-durugin ka, salamat. Sa mga teachers natin sa San Jose de Buena Vista. Sa Taliban ng Grand Parade, tulog-tulogin na sa laban. Ang tatay ng San Jose de Buena Vista, the visionary, Mayor Toto Elmer Untaran. Ang Antique Integrated School. Good morning! Tulog-tulogin na salamat sa pag-join. Tulog-tulogin si Sir Jofred Martinez. Sir, good morning. Thank you so much sa pag-imama natin. Thank you sa grand opening or grand opening Banay. Basketball to win National School. Good morning! Oh my God, we gotta get the ating pinalangga. Social Welfare and Development Office, MSWDO. Dulog-dulogin ka salamat. And of course, Liga, ang ating mga friends from. And of course, we would like to welcome from the Municipal Economic Enterprise Development Office with Sir Darcy Bongay, at I have Sir, ang ating mga sirs and ma'ams from Ino. Tulog-tulogin na salamat sa pagkulo sa ating the dancers from zones 1 and 2, comprised of Barangay 1, Barangay Supa, Barangay Batsyang, San Fernando, Inabasan, Bugarot, and Kansadan. Thank you so much. Zones 1 and 2, kailangan kami para sa street dance. And of course, we are broadcasted live via Boss Radio and Buena Vista Cable. Sa FB, yes, FB Live through Boss Radio and Buena Vista Cable. And we have here as well from Barangay Uno. Wow. We would like to from Barangay Supa, ang ating mayan kaabyan, Honorable Jose Semuan, and members of the Batsyang, Barangay Batsyang, we have Honorable Alex S. Del Roscardo, sir. Welcome kay mauna nga members of their Barangay Council and ang manason ng Barangay San Fernando. Nakita natin si Cap Enzoy Hiponia. Tulog-tulogin ka salamat. Yes, of course. Barangay San Fernando. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the Pinalanga SPIB Joe Claveras. Good morning, ma'am. Ano ang barangay ito, President? Magulang? Barangay Inabasan, Icap Orseo. Dulog-dulogin na salamat. And we have from Barangay Kansadan, Tumulan. Dulog-dulogin na salamat. Honorable Joanna Alonsagay. Nga kababainhan sa Bugarot, Ginbanggaan. Wow! Sa engagement ng Tirimbanay Festival. And we have here FPDO Warriors. Good morning! Wow! Friends from FPDO. And of course, we're going live as well sa page ni Mayor Elmer Puntaran. So kung gusto niyo makita ang actual event natin. When I graduated, and we have here Municipal Health Office of San Jose de Buena Vista. FSW joining Tiringbanay Festival 2024. They come from the different barangays of San Jose de Buena Vista.
Tapos pa kaya? Tapos pa kaya?
have here Office of the Sangguniang